unique airplane, the Bristol Blenheim. Daily Mail. And what he wanted was an aircraft that would be fast and comfortable and with and six passengers in the back. So it's completely written off. But thankfully the crew walked away. And then put the third of the restoration team down that hole. They decided, well, why not have another go and build another one, which they did, Coastal Command. They put it on, waited for a nice dry day, got airborne with a did some air-to-air photography, and got it back on the ground, washed the paint off. So now they know instructors on it when British Worlds take it on stream. So your final opportunity now for us, Restoration Company and to John Webb for bringing this very unique aircraft back again to be with us this year, before he commences his display. Finally awarded certificate in 1990. Now the aircraft can fly at 3,200 feet. Now when you're going on holidays, you take off you nice and gently, but with this one you can pitch it up right